Hello everybody, it's the 25th of October today, and this is my Liquidamber, which, well, isn't fulfilling its promise. I shouldn't be disappointed. As a tree, as a bonsai tree, it's grown really well. Perhaps I've neglected to trim it back enough this season, so I've got a lot of long straight growths that are actually tending to all grow upwards and interfere with one another, and I shall have to attend to that in the spring. I bought this tree after hearing about the gorgeous colours of the Liquidamber, and this was the label that came with it. I only paid £15 for it, and I recently heard on the radio that you need to spend, if you want a really rich red, you need to spend a lot of money on a Liquidamber, and indeed it looks as if this may be true. We have no rich reds. We have a couple that have gone a bit orangey pink, but for the most part they go in yellow, and then straight to brown. So maybe I tried putting this in a sunnier position this year, because it did the same last year, and I thought perhaps some extra sun might induce it to go red, but no, it's still only gone the yellow. So perhaps my skin flintiness didn't do. But actually, if I take a step back from all that, it's still a very attractive tree. It still has very attractive leaves, and the yellow, well, the yellow is still a rather gorgeous yellow, so I shouldn't complain. I have some hornbeams that have gone yellowy, browny, yucky colour, quite not unpleasant, but nowhere near as pleasant as the prettiness of this yellow. So you win some, you lose some, and you takes what's good and you lives with it. That's what I say. So it's the 1st of November, and I guess I'm just going to have to face facts that this Liquidamber isn't going to turn red, but as I said earlier, for the most part it's a great tree. I really like it. It's going to need quite a bit of cutting back this tall area, but I think I will be leaving that to the spring. I'm certainly not going to tackle it now while it's still got some green, that it hasn't drawn the energy back from those green leaves yet to get it through the winter. But certainly I think I could have really done with cutting it back harder, over the year, because we've got a lot of long straight growths that, well, not only are they long and straight, they're interfering one with the other, but they're also a little boring. So I'll pop that back on the bench. I'm not going to have any bright red colour to show you, unfortunately, but come spring we'll give it a chop back and continue refining it. I think it's going to be a very nice tree anyway, and who doesn't love the yellow anyway? I mean, that's a gorgeous colour in anybody's books. So a quick 360. I'm going to leave that piece of wire that's holding those two branches apart. I don't think it's going to hurt any. I don't want those two to spring back, they were far too close together. Just a short video. Had a couple of people asking after the tree, so here it is. As I say, not quite in its glory, but nice enough. Thank you. thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you think I should be doing anything to get a better colour in the comments down below. Do all the usual YouTube things, liking and subscribing if you're not already subscribed. But most of all, peace, peace, peace. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe, everybody.